Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, everyone. How are you? It's great to see you. Thank you for coming out this afternoon. My name is Carrie Still, and I'm president of the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago's Board of Commissioners. Thank you all for being here today. I'd like to introduce some staff that's here today. We have our Executive Director, Brian Perkovich. We have Kevin Fitzpatrick. And I bring you warm greetings from the Board of Commissioners. We also have Trustee Tony Beningo. I messed it up. Tony Caldero. Frank Caladerio. I'm messing all of this up. Trustee Teresa Flynn. The Mayor of Crestwood, Ken Klein. The Mayor of Crestwood, Ken Klein. Sorry about that. Village of Crestwood Clerk, Catherine Johnson, and Village Trustee. I also want to thank the Board of Education for Cook County School District 130, including President William Werner and School District 130. Superintendent Colin McClay, and the principals, teachers, and students at Nathan Hale Intermediate and Nathan Hale Middle School. Perhaps most importantly, I would like to thank any Crestwood residents in attendance today. It was those of you who lived here who are the driving force behind this project to reduce flooding. Crestwood was identified in our detailed watershed plan for the Cal-Sag Channel watershed, and our engineers began studying the area in 2014. A flooding questionnaire went out into your community and attracted over 100 responses. We knew then that we faced a challenge, but found Crestwood to be a community with the resolve to address it. So you guys are the perfect example of the squeaky wheel getting the oil, so we thank you for participating. We evaluated multiple alternatives, then gathered input from many officials besides the residents. Input came from Crestwood Village officials, Nathan Hale Intermediate School, District School 130, the Cook County Forest Preserve, the Illinois Department of Natural Resources, the Office of Water Resources, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and the Illinois Department of Transportation. In consultation with engineers from H.R. Green, we selected a strategy that all partners could support. Today, what stands before you is the start of a $7.6 million project that calls for the installation of new storm sewers and junction structures along 135th Street from Central Avenue to the Crestwood drainage ditch, improving conveyance along the Crestwood drainage ditch channel from 135th Street to the Cal-Sag Road, adding capacity to the existing pipe culverts under Cal-Sag Road, and improving the detention basin and associated outlets on the Nathaniel Hale School property adjacent to Crestwood drainage ditch north of 135th Street. When complete, flood relief will be provided for 82 homes, businesses, and other buildings in the area of 135th Street. It will also provide surface flooding protection for a 100-year rain event. The work also improves safety and aesthetics of infrastructure on Nathaniel Hale School property and allows for future capacity and flows between the Forest Preserve and Crestwood drainage ditch and within the 135th Street storm sewer system. The project creates new job opportunities and meets the goals of MWRD's Affirmative Action Ordinance, establishing minority-owned businesses, women-owned business enterprises, small business enterprises, and veteran-owned business enterprises. I applaud you all for being here today and for making our water environment a priority and for working together to improve our quality of life in Crestwood and along the Cal-Sag Channel. We are proud to make this investment to improve the grounds and homes for many Nathan Hale School students. We appreciate your support and look forward to joining you in 2023 when we celebrate the completion of this project. I would now like to recognize Crestwood Mayor Ken Klein. Welcome, Mayor.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. The Village of Crestwood is very excited to enter into this project with the MWRD together to help the severe flooding issues on 135th and central areas. This will take about 82 homes out of the floodplain and give hundreds of residents in that subdivision relief from worrying about flooding every year. This took a lot of time, planning, and working together to get this done. From our residents, village board, previous mayor, and previous board, thanks to all that worked on this to make it happen. And I can't thank enough for everybody involved. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mayor. It is with great pleasure that I introduce Cook County School District 130 Board of Education President William Werner. Welcome, President Werner.
Thank you. On behalf of Cook County School District 130, we're excited about our partnership with the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District and the Village of Crestwood, and we're proud to do our part to support the upgrades to the detention basin. This flood control project is critical for community safety. Here in Cook County, we live in a fairly flat plot of land and we're prone to severe storms. As we all know, this is a recipe for serious flooding. Effectively preparing for flooding requires up-to-date, comprehensive drainage systems with an entire network of components, including pipes, ditches, sewers, and culverts. And so School District 130 is happy to cooperate with the MWRD and the Village of Crestwood in placing a new 72-inch diameter storm sewer on school grounds. The 6-foot sewer will connect to the main drainage ditch and help alleviate the flood risk for nearly 100 homes, businesses, and residents of Crestwood. Emergency vehicles will still have 24/7 access to the school throughout the construction, and the project will cause minimal interference with the school's normal operations and activities. Anytime the school can help the community, it benefits everyone. And as part of the community, we're more than happy to help. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys for everything you did on the school board getting this done. I know it's an inconvenience, but
Thank you, President Werner. And now for the moment we've been waiting for. Please join us as we do have the official groundbreaking ceremony, then enjoy refreshments by A.J. Jane, Vice President of Water Resources, and H.R. Green. So you all remember this project will be completed in 2023, and it is going to provide flood relief to the community. So thank you all for coming out this afternoon. If we could have any commissioners that are here, the executive director and trustees and mayor, to all grab a shovel, and we'll have this groundbreaking. Thank you.